How to make checkboxes get tracked on the progress bar in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board and ensure you have a checkbox column. If not, add a new column and select Checkbox from the options. 2. Add a progress tracking column. Click the plus button, choose Progress, and link it to your checkbox column to track completion rates. Configure how progress is calculated. Go to the settings of the Progress column and select Count Completed Checkboxes as the calculation method. 4. Ensure team members update checkboxes when tasks are completed. The progress bar will automatically reflect these updates, showing real-time progress. 5. Use filters to track specific tasks. Apply filters to show only incomplete or completed tasks, making it easier to manage workflows. 6. Automate progress updates. Set up an automation that notifies the team when progress reaches 100%, ensuring timely follow-ups. 7. Customize the progress bar's display. Adjust its visual settings to make tracking clearer, choosing different colors or styles based on team preferences.